In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a list as a template in ClickUp. Templates are a huge time saver when you run similar projects or workflows. Before we start, open your ClickUp workspace and navigate to the specific list you want to turn into a template. Take a moment to make sure this list is exactly how you want future copies to look. That means your tasks, subtasks, custom views, and any automations should be set up, named clearly and organized. If there are old tasks or test items you don't want carried forward, clean those up now so your template stays tidy. Next, hover over the list name in the sidebar. You'll see an ellipsis icon appear. Click that, or you can simply right-click the list name to open the same menu. In the menu that pops up, hover over the Templates option, then select Save as Template. This opens a modal where you'll set the details that make your template easy to find and reuse. Start by giving your template a clear, descriptive name. A consistent naming convention, like Team Process Version, can help you and your teammates recognize the right template at a glance. If you want, add a short description that explains when and how to use it, and include tags so it's searchable later. If you're new to ClickUp or want to try it out on desktop or mobile, I've placed the official website link and download link right at the top of the description so you can get started quickly. Back in the template modal, choose your sharing options. You can keep the template private to yourself, share it with select people, or make it available to all workspace members. If you're piloting a process, start with only me or select teammates. Once you're confident, switch it to all members so everyone can use the standard. Under Import Options, decide what should be included when someone uses this template. You can capture tasks and subtasks, custom fields, due dates, and statuses. If your dates are specific to a past project, consider excluding or resetting dates so newly created lists don't inherit outdated deadlines. Similarly, decide whether statuses should mirror your current workflow. Keeping them consistent across teams can help reporting and automation. When everything looks good, click Save Template in the lower right corner. That's it. Your list is now saved as a reusable template. The next time you create a list, you'll be able to pull it in from your template library, complete with the structure and options you selected. If this walkthrough helped, please like the video, subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.